Today we will type study of Aves pigeon. Feathers. The feathers are peculiar exoskeleton structure found only in birds and modified reptilian scale. This form a close and continuous cover on the body and collectively called plumage. plumage. And these are light, strong, elastic, and waterproof structure which homologous with reptilian scale. So no transitional stage between them is reported. Next, this figure show different types of feathers. Tails क्या फ्लाइट के लिए ये और सेमी प्लूम के लिए फिलोप्लूम ब्रिस्टल एंड डाउनी. Types of feather. First feather name is quill feather. Quill feather is a strong shaft and barbels with interlocking arrangement. There are flowing types. Remes. Remes. The quill feather occur on wing and serve purpose of flight are called pinion, wing quill or remus. 23 rims which attach to its hinder border, and out of 23 in 11 rims are attached to hand are called the primaries of or manuals, and out of 23 in 12 rims are attached behind ulna of forearm and called secondaries and cubitales. This figure show the quill feather. Okay, rachis, barbs, वेने और वैक्सीलम यहाँ पे स्टैम सुपीरियर उम्बिकल्स, ठीक है, और आफ्टर शाफ्ट व्हील और कैलमस इंटीरियर उम्बिकल्स. ये बार्ब्स एंड बार्बल्स है. बार्ब्स, बार्बल, हुकलेट, ए डाउन फैदर, ठीक है, और ये रहा ए फ्लिप्यूम. नेक्स्ट आता है डैक्टेरिस. टिक्ट्राइस. Around the Europygium to form the tail of pigeon are called tail quills or dactylis. 12 dactylis arranged in semicircle or fan-like manner. It acts as a brake in alighting and rudder in apical or lateral steering. Covered. Next आता है covered. Covered the base of wing quills and tail quills are called covered. Covered. It covered by upper and under tail covered. ठीक है, they small size and close the between quills of remes and dactylis. Contours feathers. The quill feathers from general covering of body are called the contours. They are smaller and woolly feathers having poorly developed barbels. Next, this figure show the contour feather. Okay, center rachis, और ये है पिनियोसिस, और ये डाउनी पल्मोनेसिस. ये अपर है, ये डाउनी है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आता है फिलोप्लम्स. Philoplums delicate hair like feather which remain sparsely disturbed over the body. Among the contour feather, it consists of short calmus and long thread-like rachis with few terminal barbs and barbels without any hemorrhage. Next, this figure show the flight feathers. ठीक है, यहाँ पे calmus है, rachis, कॉन्टर फैदर, फिलोप्लूम्स, ठीक है, बार्बल्स है, बार्ब्स है छोटे छोटे, और ऊपर है आउटर वैने और इनर वैने एंड डाउन फैदर. Next are the down feather and plumule, very small and soft, which lack the brachis, but has calmus. Short calmus, fluffy, tuft of barbs, which long, flexible, short barbels. The barbels have no hamulum. In young one, down feather, it covered the body, is called the nestling down feather, and they have horny sheath covered the quill and basal portion of the barbs. Okay, and in adult pigeon, the nestling down feathers are replaced by counter feather, and they are persist as a undercoat beneath the counter feather in many aquatic birds. Examples like ducks, swans to serve to increase thickness of the insulating layer. Next होता है powder down feather. In curtain bird, instead of the pigeon, the down feather form powder down feather in adult stage, and this feather produce some powdery fragment for cleaning the plumage. Next होता है dictal bristles. Some birds like fly catches, goat, sucker, and whippoor wills have stiff hair-like feather called a rictal bristle. At the base of bill, short, calmus, and slender rachis with few rudimentary barbs at its base, and they do not occur in pigeon. Other types have pterolysis. The arrangement of the feather on the body of the bird is called the pterolysis, and the feather not disturb over the whole body but arranged in patches and tract called petal, and it followed by the featherlacia area or apteria, which covered with phylloplums in pigeon and white down feather in ducks and many other birds. Next, the principal feather tract or patellae of pigeon are flowing. Head or neck cover the body, neck or clavicle cover the on the neck, and shoulder or femur, upper arm and humerus, spinal extending from neck to tail along the vertebral column. Next have ventral. Ventral, it is a double track which one branch running along each side of the breast. Next, wing or alar, made of the remains with covert. Next are tail or caudal, made of the tectaries with their covert. Femoral, spreading obliquely on outer side of thick. Crural, cover the shank of lamb. Next last is use of feather protection. It help in a protection. It use in a protection feather from a lightweight, impervious, flexible, durable, waterproof body cover which protect the underlying tendon skin from all types of the mechanical, chemical, pathological, environmental injuries. Next, it is used in the formation of nest. Some birds like Ed duck and long-tailed take use of feather of other birds in the formation of the warm and comfortable nest. Okay. Next, it is used in flight adaptation. Feathers make the pigeon body well adapted for aerial mode of life, and they are light, elastic, horny structure which make the body pigeon of the quite lightweight. Last is the camouflaging. The feather of the different birds have quite characteristic protective coloration which make habitat surrounding and serve to protect them from enemies. And thank you for watching.